Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we are picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship. So Leos, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And Leos, we will be picking two more cards for your relationship guidance and your career guidance. So this card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. So let's start the reading with these cards here, Leos. So we have Seven of Swords, World and Ace of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your work or in your relationship, Leos. There are certain things you wish to change. Maybe you are in this relationship with this person, you are quite happy, but you need to go out of the way, try really hard to find harmony and balance in this connection, or try to be more harmonious and balanced, and you need to do too much, and circumstances are really difficult for you, and though you are happy with them, things are not going in a very easy way, in a smooth way. So some difficulties, stress, a lot of sadness, you don't know how to change your circumstance, how to change the situation today. So you're quite worried, you don't know what will come next, and you feel that this person does not understand you and they are not trying to be really friendly. They are here to make use of you in some ways, and you are quite worried, Leos, because of their attitude or the way they are treating you. So you love this person, you wish good things for them, but still circumstances are difficult and situation is really unexpected. So you never thought this would happen, but that is what is happening today, Leos. So we will see what is the card. It's Nine of Cups. So situation will change for you, Leos. All the troubles you are seeing today, all that is going to change. Maybe this person is making a plan, or maybe you are making a plan. You are moving away for work. So there is going to be a distance between you both. So circumstances are going to change with this distance. Things are going to become more sweeter, much more better. So when you are away from each other, you are going to think of this person, or they are going to think of you always, and things are going to change in this relationship. You are going to see that whatever you wish for, that intimacy, harmony, a very passionate relationship, that is unfolding in your situation today, Leos. And whatever you dream of, that is coming for you, and this may be a very deep bond you have with this person, Leos. And though there are some things you need to change or you wish to change, circumstances are good and you are going to be really happy in this love. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So let's see What is the oracle guidance? Page of Wands for your career, guys. It's Page of Wands in reverse. So, in your work, things are going to take a difficult turn. Maybe you need to make a choice, but you lack clarity and understanding. You don't know how things will shape up, what will happen. So, lack of clarity in your situation. And there may be some announcements coming, maybe some delay or some suspensions in your work. So, some difficulties may be there for you guys. And Leos, you need to understand that all your hard work and dedication is going to help you today. So, whatever you were working for, that is going to help you, and things will change for you. Your dedication and focus, it's going to change this circumstance. So, we will see what is the card for your oracle guidance. So, we have fork in the road. So, you are going to make a very important decision today, Leos. It is nothing right or wrong here, but it means what is true to your emotions and your feelings and your heart. So, if you are wishing good things for this love, if you want to be with this person, you can go towards this love, make it work, try your best, make the efforts needed. But if you are not interested in this relationship, you can go otherwise. So you must be honest, authentic to your heart, to your intentions. If you do that, if you make that choice, that authentic choice, you will see that your circumstances are going to change and it is going to bring beautiful things in your relationship. Happiness and harmony. Choices are not important here. Being authentic is important. So, the same way in your career, we will see what is the card. Deep knowing. So, you must try to understand and see where things are going, and maybe if you have your intuition pointing you towards something, you must go for that because that will be the right choice in your career situation. So when you are making some decisions, if you have your intuition telling you something, you must go for it because that is going to help you. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.